Hello friends, welcome to my new video. To be continued, MS SET 2017 PYQ Life Science paper number 2nd. So let's start question number 22. Aquaporins are associated with. So correct option is the cell membrane. Aquaporins are associated with. Correct option is cell membrane. Question number 23. Question number 23. Accessory chromosomes are found in. So correct option is only in some eukaryotic organism. Once again, accessory chromosomes are found in. So correct option is only in some eukaryotics. Then move question number 24. Question number 24. Well, see here, question number 24. Which one among the following is responsible for dosage compensation in female mammals? Once again, which one among the following is responsible for dosage compensation in female mammals? Correct option is inactivation of one of the X chromosome females. Then question number 25. In the antigen antibody reaction, the association constant Ka at equilibrium is represented by. So correct option is Ag. Ag stands for antibody and antigen antibody complex. AgAb, that is the antigen antibody complex, divided by free antigen or free antibody. Then move another question, that is question number 26. Question number 26. A Drosophila fly with only one X chromosome. A Drosophila fly with only one X chromosome, XO condition, in the absence of Y chromosomes will develop as. Correct option is the male. A Drosophila fly with only one X chromosome, XO condition, in the absence of Y chromosomes will develop as male. Then question number 27. The embryonic stage in frog in which differentiation of mesoderm takes place is called. Once again, the embryonic stage in frog in which differentiation of mesoderm takes place is called. So correct option is the gastrula. Then move another question. Question number 28. Mitosis promoting factor MPF is composed of. This is the very favorite question for SET. So listen carefully. Question number 28. Mitosis promoting factor MPF is composed of. So correct option is cyclin B and CDK. Cyclin B and CDK. Then move question number 9. 29. Question number 29. So let's see question number 29. Junctional diversity affect primarily the amino acid sequence is. Correct option is the CDR3. Once again, junctional diversity affects primarily. Correct option is the CDR3. Question number 30. In prokaryotes, the specificity of RNA molecule is determined by the. Correct option is the sigma factor. Question number 30. In prokaryotes, the specificity of RNA polymerase is determined by the correct option is sigma factor. Then question number 31. Chlorophyll is an effective photoreceptor pigment. This property of chlorophyll is due to. So correct option is presence of polyene structure. Presence of polyene structures. Then move question number 32. Question number 32. Polypeptide can be fragmented by using chemical treatment before amino acid. Sequence of a given protein, cyanogen bromide is one such a reagent and its specific cleavage site is. So correct option is carboxyl site of methionine residue. Once again, polypeptides can be fragmented by using chemical treatment before amino acid sequence of a given protein, cyanogen bromide is one such reagent and its specific cleavage site is. Correct option is carboxyl site of the methionine residue. Then question number 33. Let's see question number 33. In photosynthesis, the reaction between ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate and oxygen catalyzed by enzymes Rubisco result in formation of. So correct option is 2-phosphoglycolate and 3-phosphoglycerate. Once again, in photosynthesis, the reaction between ribulose 1,5-phosphate and oxygen catalyzed by enzyme Rubisco result in formation of. So option C correct is 2-phosphoglycolate and 3-phosphoglycerate. Then move question number 34. Question number 34. When a weak acid is mixed with its salt, pH of the solution becomes. Correct option is less acidic. When a weak acid is mixed with its salts, pH of the solution becomes less acidic. Then move question number 35. P-aminobenzoate PABA is an important building blocks of tetrahydrofolate. So correct option is the tetrahydrofolate. Once again, P-aminobenzoate PABA is an important building blocks of tetrahydrofolate. Then question number 36. Raffinose is a carbohydrate and a minor constituent of sugar beets. Which class of carbohydrates from below does it belongs to? So correct option is trisaccharides. Raffinose is a carbohydrate and a minor constituent of sugar beets. Which class of carbohydrates from below does it belongs to? So correct option is the trisaccharides. Then move question number 37. Question number 37. Then see the concentrate on question number 38. Polyembryo is reported in the ragi. Correct option is the ragi. Polyembryo is reported in the. Correct option is ragi. Then question number 39. Polychilitins are low molecular wet thiols consisting of the. So correct option is the amino acid. Correct option is the amino acid. Polychelatines are low molecular weight thiols consisting of the amino acids. Then move question number 40. In a normal mammalian kidney, the hypertonicity in a, see here, in a normal mammalian kidney, the hypertonicity of the urine is usually of a function of, correct option is loop of Henle. Once again, in a normal mammalian kidney, the hypertonicity of the urine is usually a function of, correct option is loop of Henle. Question number 41. Fat maturation of somatic embryo, there is need of ABA. Correct option is ABA. For maturation of somatic embryo, there is need of ABA. Then question number 42. Water potential in a plant is affected by. So correct option is all solutes, hydrostatics and absorptive forces. Water potential in plants is affected by all solutes, hydrostatic and absorptive forces. Then move question number 43. Question number 43. So see, gene transfer in bacteria enhances virulence, variability and adaptability. Question number 43. Gene transfer in bacteria enhances virulence, variability and adaptability. Question number 44. Question number 44. So, in humans, pointed eyebrows are dominant to smooth eyebrows and widow's peak. Downward pointed frontal hairline is dominated to continuous hairline. What phenotypic ratio would you expect in the offspring from a cross between an individual heterozygous for both gene and an individual homozygous recessive for both genes? So correct option is 1:1:1:1. Then move question number 45. Question number 45. See, plasmid often encode for proteins that. So correct option is confer resistance to antibiotic. Question number 46. Question number 46. A wild type chromosome represent as ABC star DEFGH. Chromosomal aberration is represented as ADE star CBFGH. So star equal to centromere. This is called as pericentric inversion. This is called as what? Pericentric inversion. Then move question number 47. Which one of the following is not transposon? So underline it. Question is here not transposons. So correct option is the GAL. GAL are not transposons. Then move question number 48. Question number 48. Which of the following genetic disorder cannot be diagnosed parentally? So correct option is skin cancer. Which of the following genetic disorder cannot be diagnosed parentally? Correct option is skin cancer. Question number 49. Mutation may be described as. Question number 49. Mutation may be described as. Correct option is discontinuous genetic variation. Then move question number 50. The theory of use and disuse was proposed by Landmark. Okay, stay study with me. Okay, bye-bye.